ito, yung mabilisan. Piliin natin will be sige, round 2 ng letter D. X raised to 2 is equal to hindi, y is equal to x raised to while y is equal to x plus 2. X raised to will be hindi. To get the intersection, you have to substitute x raised to into this one or x plus 2 into this one. Whichever you prefer, it doesn't really matter. Now, we can substitute, we can lipat-lipat. And we can factorize or ano, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag dito. Basta yan. So, makukuha nating x will be 2 and negative 1. 2, negative 1. Substitute mo siya. Si 2, substitute mo dito, makukuha mo 4. Si negative 1, substitute mo dito, magiging 1. It doesn't matter what kind of, what equation you substitute it into, parehas pa rin siya. Tignan mo. 2 raised to 2 is 4. Negative 1 raised to 2 is 1. Now we will integral it. Or we should parang ano, we should try to graph it first. So, yung ano mo is x mo is 2 and makukuha mo x is 2 and 4 while sa 1 and negative 1 nandito siya banda. Now, paano natin ma-make sure na tawag doon? Paano natin ma-make sure kung ano yung pipiliin dito kasi magkaiba sila? I think it's back to common sense. If it's a square, it's automatically like this. And if it's a x plus 2, it's just a line. So, bali yung nangyayari is ganito, tapos nag-intersect sila somehow ng ganyan. As you can see dito sa graph na to, yung pinaka-limit na negative ni x is yung negative 1 talaga. Pero, yung pinaka-mababa ng y is 0. So, yung pipiliin natin will be the integral of negative 1 and 2. Hindi natin pipiliin si y kasi meron siya dito. Dapat yung pinaka-mababa at pinaka-mataas na value. So, that. Next, we add the formulas. X raised to, so over 2 plus 2x, negative 1, 2, x squared. Again, negative 1, 2. Substitute nyo 2 raised to 2 over 2 is 2 plus 4 will be 6 minus 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3, 7 over 3. Okay, kita natin na yung line is the one on top. Pero, let's just say na hindi natin alam yung common sense ng graphs. So, what we will do is, since ito yung range natin, we will pick a number which is greater than -1 and less than 2 na pwede nating i-substitute. So, let's say na 0. I-substitute natin ang 0 dito, makukuha natin will be 2. Substitute natin si 0 dito, makukuha natin is 0. That means, this one is f. So, 6 is our f of x. And g, 7/3 is our g of x. 6 minus 7/3, 18/3 minus 7/3. Tama nga ba? Mukhang tama naman. Makukuha natin will be 11/3. And that's how you get the area of function and stuff. Yun lang.